This is April Schulthies, using the computer to generate this message. I am just a normal person. I used to have Siberian Huskies and dogs that were Husky mixes. They were all poisoned. 2 died in the same week. All of them are dead now. The Husky in this picture is not mine. Mine are all dead. It was cold, calculated murder, accompanied by attack from someone on the astral plane pretending to be the Lord, who knew my dogs were being poisoned, but would not help me. In fact, the astral plane is used by predators all the time, to kill, steal, and destroy. I had a minimal upbringing in basic Christian principles, but knew nothing about the unseen realm of the astral plane, until I started reading Joseph Murphy's books in my 20s. Joseph Murphy talks about the subconscious mind, but he does not warn you about secret societies. Secret societies run everything. Hypnosis is the secret behind them. You are being hypnotized whether you know it or not. I am not a member of secret societies. I'm not married, so I'm still a virgin. I was treated like garbage my entire life, and as an adult, I was attacked on the astral plane by individuals pretending to be the Lord. That's blasphemy. They don't care. Before I could turn 55, open attempts on my life increased. My employer used COVID to take away my job, then blocked my 403b funds and retirement. I found out later they keep all the retirement I accrued in 27 years if I die. They cut my phone. They cut my internet. They cut my power. They sabotaged my cars. They cut my heat. They kept on coming. They haven't stopped. It could be you next. Hypnosis is the basis for secret societies. They use the unseen realm against you. You need to use exorcism. Do not have sex. Do not eat meat. Read the Bible. Respect all life. Exorcise these invaders. The Bible calls them demons. You are like a broadcasting station, and they're not only picking up on your channel, they're interfering with it. There are basically 2 groups in the world, the godly and the ungodly. Which are you? This is April Schulthies. I am a victim of genocide. This is Rome, and Rome killed 2 of my brothers, and my niece, and came after me, too. They are after me still. Once Rome decides to put you down, they want you dead. Rome is still here. Rome is responsible for the genocide of Jews, Africans, Muslims, Russians, Irish, Celts, Japanese, Chinese, Aborigines, Vietnamese, Koreans, Hmong, Hawaiians, Eskimos, Native Americans, and more. Mexicans are dying on the border every day. We are still dealing with Herod today, Herod in Rome. The scriptures say, "Ye shall do no unrighteousness in judgment, thou shalt not give preference either to the person of the poor or weak, nor honor the person of the mighty over the weak, but in righteousness shalt thou judge thy neighbor."